Everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of the GoPro accessory items I got from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to do kind of a quick unboxing video. Come on. Came with those two separate mounts together. That's interesting. See? It's weird because they smell just like the cheap Chinese stuff. I wonder if their GoPro doesn't make them anymore. But these are ones I was talking about in the last video. It's got this little rubber piece that you squeeze and it keeps the legs from closing. So it's got a short and a long. They're different heights. I'll probably put this one back on it because I liked this one until it broke. And here is thumb screws that I'll just throw in the bag of accessories. I probably won't use them. And then, yep, they're both quick slides, but they're glue-ons. This one on the tripod is actually a thread. It threads on. Okay. So basically ended up with two of each of these items. Open this one real quick. And I don't really think they have a part number. Oh, yeah, they do. SKU number is AGBAG-002. Alpha George, Bravo, Anderson, Greg-002. That's the part number for the kit. On the side as well. Now they come, all of them come like that, they're attached. So there's the two tall ones. There's the two shorties. Long thumb screw, long thumb screw, short and short. Two rounds, two squares, and the two different angles. Those are those. This one I had them open because the box was damaged. This one is part number AHFSM-001. It is Alpha Henry Frank Sam Mary-001. This is a helmet front plus side mount kit. This one is actually the most expensive one. It does come with another thumb screw. Another long thumb screw. This one has this swivel ball. It also comes with another one of these angled ones. These right here. It's exactly that one right there. So it comes with another one of those. See? And these little tiny thumb screws. Well, the ball should move. There it goes. It's pretty stiff. Probably be easier to deal with it when there's weight on it. And it's a lot heavier than the other ones. It does come with another square quick slide. It comes with 2 of them actually, which I have a crap ton of these. I think I have like 40 or 50 of these. I've never used them. And then it comes with another long extended height. So ended up with 3 of those extended heights, and then a ball swivel. And then open this one real quick. This one is SKU number ABJQR-001. It is the swivel mount. So basically ended up with 2 of these right here. It is Alpha, Bravo, Jacob, Quam, Richard 001. Hopefully these will last me a while. Maybe I'll have better luck with the GoPro stuff this time around. It's kind of a extreme, whoops, I dropped it. It's an extremely large box, just for 2 items. Comes with another long thumb screw, so we ended up with 4 long thumb screws and another ball mount. So we got 2 ball mounts, 3 extended heights, and then 2 shorts. And a bunch of elbows. So that's all the GoPro stuff I picked up. And then these 2. I don't really think I need to unbox it, but that's what it looks like. It's just a wiring harness. And then a new cap. And some split connectors, and some dielectric grease, which I will not use these. I hate these stupid connectors. So these will be in a different video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.